Introduction to Anki Mobile Study Schedules.
Anki Mobile is a powerful app for flashcard-based learning, allowing you to master new material efficiently. By setting up custom study schedules, you can tailor your review sessions to fit your unique learning style and daily routine. This tutorial will guide you through creating and adjusting a personalized schedule using Anki's features on your mobile device.
Understanding Anki's scheduling basics.
Anki uses a spaced repetition system, helping you review cards just before you're likely to forget them. The app automatically schedules cards, but customizing these intervals and review settings can boost your learning. Knowing how to modify defaults for new cards and review frequency is the first step toward a more effective study plan.
Accessing and customizing deck options.
To create a custom schedule, start by opening your chosen deck. Tap the Options button, then select Options Group. Here, you'll find settings like New Cards per Day, Maximum Reviews per Day, and Interval Modifiers. Adjust these parameters to match your study goals, such as increasing daily new cards or reducing reviews on busy days.
Creating and assigning custom options groups.
If you want different routines for different decks, set up custom options groups. From the deck options, choose Manage and create a new group with your preferred settings. Assign this group to the relevant deck to apply your personalized schedule. This makes it easy to balance learning different subjects according to your availability and priorities.
Tracking progress and adjusting your routine.
Regularly monitor your progress using Anki statistics and card counts. If you feel overwhelmed or too relaxed, revisit your deck options and tweak the settings. Finding the right balance ensures you stay motivated and steadily build your knowledge, making the most of Anki Mobile's powerful scheduling tools.